Urban Dahlia farmer here. I woke up this morning to disaster. Something pulled the leaves off my dahlia plants. Was it the crows or the squirrels? They form the majority of the board of the neighborhood association. No, actually, I admit it. It was me. I did it. It's the 1st of July in the Pacific Northwest and time to strip the lower leaves off your dahlia plants. Removing the lower leaves provides better air circulation for the plants and also takes away hiding places for slugs, earwigs, and other non-beneficial critters. This is also a good time to remove all extra sprouts coming from the tuber, leaving the strongest and healthiest stalk to produce your blooms. To avoid the spread of dahlia virus and other plant diseases, it's important to sterilize the tools before moving on to the next plant. Simple maintenance tasks performed early in the summer can prevent ongoing problems in your garden throughout the growing season.